Have you ever wondered about the rich and diverse cultures that make up the Philippines? One such culture is that of the Waray Waray people. Here are 10 fascinating facts about them. Fact 1. The Waray Waray people hail from the eastern Visayas region of the Philippines. They are primarily found in the provinces of Leyte, Samar, and Baliran. Fact 2. Waray Waray is not only the name of the people, but also their language. It's the fifth most spoken local language in the Philippines, distinct for its use of the J sound, which is uncommon in other Filipino languages. Fact 3. The Waray Waray people are renowned for their resilience. Living in a region frequently hit by typhoons, they've cultivated a spirit of perseverance and tenacity that is admired across the country. Fact 4. The Waray Waray people have a rich and vibrant musical tradition. Their folk music, known as kuratsa, is a lively courtship dance performed at fiestas and other community gatherings. Fact 5. The Waray Waray people's traditional cuisine is as diverse as their culture. They are known for dishes such as binagol, a sweet dessert made from taro root, and takwe, a sour and spicy dish made from taro stems. Fact 6. The Waray Waray people have a deep respect for their environment. Their traditional belief system revolves around the concept of nature spirits, and they have rituals to honor these spirits. Fact 7. The Waray Waray people have a unique writing system known as Baybayin. This ancient script predates Spanish colonization and is being revived by cultural preservationists. Fact 8. The Waray Waray people have a traditional martial art called eskrima. This combat art focuses on stick and sword fighting and is a significant part of their cultural heritage. Fact 9. The Waray Waray people are known for their exquisite craftsmanship in weaving. They create beautiful banig, which are hand-woven mats made from pandan leaves. Fact 10. The Waray Waray people are also known for their hospitality. They are welcoming and friendly, often inviting guests to share in their meals and celebrations. In summary, the Waray Waray people are a resilient and vibrant community with a rich cultural heritage. From their unique language and traditional beliefs to their exquisite craftsmanship and martial arts, they add to the beautiful tapestry that is the Philippines. Their resilience in the face of natural disasters, their rich musical tradition, and their delicious cuisine are just some of the aspects that make them truly remarkable.